This is a bad idea. It really is. So, hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do literally the stupidest challenge ever because I got tired of filming just regular tutorials and I wanted to do something fun on my channel. Obviously, most of my videos are going to be tutorials, but I realize that I sometimes want to incorporate videos that aren't makeup related, maybe like twice a month, just for fun. So, but this is a makeup related video, but it's not the usual tutorial. So yes, today I'm going to do the, wait, what is this challenge called? Oh my god, people drive by, it's so awkward. Okay, I think this challenge is called the wet makeup brush challenge because I'm gonna try to do my makeup with wet brushes and we're gonna see what happens. Let's just get started. This is my agua con gas. Just kidding, it's just tap water, but like it's tap water. So we're gonna start this video. I don't know if I'm gonna do my eyebrows yet because I don't even know if I wanna even go there. I already primed my face because like, what are you gonna do? Like wet your primer? Oh shit, should I have done that? Anyways, yeah. So, okay. Oh, let's start off with foundation. So the foundation we're gonna use today is the Fit Me Matte and Poreless. I'm hoping this is my shade. Ooh, from the looks of it, this shit looks dork. Ooh, okay, this used to be the only brush I used to use for foundation. As you can see, it's probably like the only clean brush out of all my brushes. It's just, oh my god, no. There's no way this is not. There's no way this is an actual challenge. Are y'all see? Oh, hell no. I'm gonna try my heart. Oh my god. Okay, this is gonna be a fucking disaster. Is this expired? When does this expire? Oh my. No, but oh, that just gave me. Ew, look how disgusting that looks. Oh my god, this is not happening. It is so streaky. No, there's no way this is no way. It's literally actually peeling off. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Hold on. And my face feels cold. Okay, wait, let me just stop. Let me just do this. Do you hear that noise? This is disgusting. Oh my god, there's people coming. This is disgusting. This is literally gross. I don't like this at all. It feels... Water is flinging everywhere, first of all. Second of all, it looks horrible. I should have like squeezed it out or something. I don't think I'm getting this right already. I kind of just want to get this over with. Oh my god, no. This is not happening to me. This is giving me like that fear. What's that fear called? Where you don't like a bunch of small circles. That's what this is giving me. This is what that's giving me. If that's like, just look at that brush. Just look at it. That is disgusting. Oh my god, I just got the chills, bitch. Ew. It feels disgusting. This is okay, and I really didn't choose a good concealer for this. I chose the Born This Way concealer, and I'm not getting up to get a new one. This is already a really thin concealer, and what I find like the most problematic about this challenge is that it's thinning it's like thinning things out. So if this is already thin, the water is just going to thin it even more and literally give it no coverage. Okay, let's just do this. No way. There is no fucking way this is happening right now. Look at the way this fucking... Am I going crazy? Or do these brushes look so fucking creepy? It looks so bad, it's giving me chills. And oh my god, my neighbor's home again. Oh, hell no. This feels disgusting. Let me get this over with as fast as I can because I really dislike this so much. I hate it. I hate it. And I'm gonna put the rest of the concealer on my eyelid too. Oh my god, no. Oh my god, this looks just... It looks even worse on camera, great. The foundation looks good compared to this. I can't believe I'm doing this. I want to back out. Abort. Bitch, do you see my eyelids? What the we can't even set it and like attempt to make it better. I'm gonna like skip powder completely. My face feels like I want to itch it. I have a hair stuck in my skin. Not in my skin, but in my foundation right here. And there's absolutely nothing I can do about it. So we're gonna bronze. Look at how gross the water is getting, first of all. I hate that that glare is right there. It just has to be right there. Oh, it got so dark. Okay, so yeah, we're just gonna... Wait. Oh, no. I said we're gonna try to make cream bronzer. Oh wait, it doesn't look that bad. Okay, first of all, it doesn't look that bad. I'm low-key making cream bronzer. Do I look tan? The blush I'm using today is a Coral Cove blush by Milani. I've lost all hope. At first I was thinking it's like, it can't be that bad. It's just like gonna be like using all cream products, right? Wrong. Wait. Do y'all see what that just did to my blush? I can't open anything. I look like a sweaty, flushed kid that's been in the sun for 25 hours straight. I look good. But I'm gonna highlight. This part shouldn't be that bad, okay? Say we went for a little move. This used to be so freaking like raved about back in the day. Y'all know what this is? This is that Soft and Gentle. This used to be literally the only highlighter anyone ever talked about. And then it just wasn't. And I'm really scared. Look at the way that looks. That's intimidating. Wait, we're gonna go in the sun for this. Cause this is gonna be cool. Oh, bitch. Oh no, bitch. I'm not ready. Bitch, I am not ready. Bitch! Oh no! That doesn't even look good blinding. That looks terrible blinding. I don't know if you can see all that texture. Oh, that highlight looks gross. We're gonna dip it back in the water, actually. Oh. Did you see the way that just streaked on? Oh no. Stop. What I'm gonna do is highlight my nose. Because I need to just stop. Because doing too much with the brushes makes everything worse. So let's just highlight our nose and be done with the highlighter and like not talk about this moment ever. I'm adding too much. Again. And I look stupid. I'm just gonna do a little bit with my brows. I'm just gonna take a brush, wet it. I don't know if you guys trust me, but I am wetting my brushes. And I'm not even gonna use pomade. I don't have time. I'm not gonna sit here and struggle. Like, I already can't even do my brows with a dry brush. So I'm not gonna even attempt to do them with a wet one, but I am going to take some of the shadow from the Tartelette. I don't think you guys even, I've never even used this palette in a tutorial. I will say, I did think it was gonna come out far worse than it actually did. It's not great, it's not terrible. We can work with it, sisters. We can do this. We can do this. It's not that bad. Now that I'm looking at it, it's not that bad. Don't even go there, sister. It's not that bad. Don't tell me it's that bad. Like, any of it, really. Like, the skin looks like shit in person. All right, so let's go in with my dirty brushes. We finna go in with M441 today. We're gonna go in with, guess which shade. We're gonna go in with this one right here. You're right. You are so right, girl. Okay, so my strategy is gonna be to create a semicircle. Oh no, this is not gonna go down okay. This is not gonna be good. Oh no, this is not good. I was gonna sit here and try to do something really cool and be like, that's right, bitches. Even with wet makeup brushes, I can come up with a bomb look. But now, it's over for me. The thing is, I don't know how to act. Like, I don't know how to blend. Bitch, why do I look like I just got beat up? And now we're going to go in with Rebel. I'm gonna try to deep. No. Oh. Okay, yeah, we're gonna try to get this over with as quick as possible. So I just tried to deepen that up and I just ruined it even further. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Why is it turning into a different color? This isn't even the color of the shade. For some reason, I don't want to end my misery there. For some reason, I want to drag this out. So we're gonna try another color. Okay, I'm gonna use a small bit of this dark leader shade right here. I literally just dip and that should be good. And oh my god. What do I, okay, I'm just gonna put this all on the lid now and we're gonna smoke this shit out. Okay, we're gonna stop there because if you see, all I'm doing is stripping the color right off my lid. So, and I'm really just getting sad because I wanted it to work out, but it kind of just looks like I got beat up. So we're gonna go in with this one. This is like a pretty cranberry shade. Here, this is where I save this kind of. I'm gonna put this everywhere on my lid and see if perhaps that salvages the look. Let's just do the lower lash line. I'm doing one shade for the lower lash line and calling it quits, bitch, because this is ridiculous. Try this at home. I really thought, bitch, I'm gonna be doing this, bitch. I'm gonna be the best bitch on YouTube, bitch. I'm gonna be out here, bitch, full face with white brushes, bitch. And I thought I was gonna do this and be like that bitch, right? No, wrong. We're gonna go with Rebel, which that's a bold move, and literally smoke this and go low. Go low. You know what? Don't go low, bitch. Now we look dead. And that's all I'm doing. I'm gonna go. I look like I died. So I'm gonna do this side and we'll be right back for the lips. For lipstick today. Okay, for lipstick today, we're gonna go with a bullet lipstick, which that's bold for me. I never use bullet lipsticks. Oh wait, I didn't wet it. Okay, I just wet it. This is a fail. Sorry. Go check out my last 3 videos I posted. I will link them all in the description because I feel like they didn't get as much clout as they should have. Especially the rainbow cut crease. If you're gonna check out any one of my videos, go check out the rainbow cut crease look. Sorry that I'm a massive failure. I'll try better next time. I love you.